If you want to write amazing SEO optimized articles using AI, then watch this video till the very end. In one of the previous videos, we used SEO Writing AI. You can check out that video from description. In today's video, we will use another amazing tool called gravitywrite. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To open gravitywrite, click on the first link given in this video's description. If you are using it for the first time, click on Start for free, and enter your email ID and password to create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on Login. After logging in, you will see that we can generate a variety of content using this tool. You will find all these options on the left side as well, grouped under specific sections like Blog Tools, SEO Tools, Writing Assistant, and many more. As we want to write an article, we will click here on Blog Tools. You will find options like Content Calendar, Rewrite Articles, SEO Optimized Articles, etc. Hovering on each name will tell what it does. You can check all of them on your own. For now, let's click on Quick One-Click Blog Post. Our article will be generated here. On left, we need to enter our blog title. Let's enter a random title, Top 5 Exercises to Stay Healthy. Click here on Settings and you will be able to select the language for the article. You can see, we have many languages to select from. Now, click on Create Content and wait for the entire article to get generated. Keep scrolling and you will be able to see a yellow highlight bar. If there is no yellow highlight bar after a while, then it means your article is completed. You can see, we have a 500 words plus amazing article here, with several subheadings. If you want to make some minor changes, you can make them here, like bold, italics, strike-through, quotes, etc. You can also add tables, images, and links from here. Once you are done, just click here on Copy to copy your article and paste it, wherever you need. Your articles will also be saved here in history. Now, with the free plan, you can generate 2,000 words every week, which is almost equal to 3 articles every week. But, if you want to generate more articles and also access other features, click here on Subscription. Scroll below and you can see the plans and their amazing benefits. There is also a feature to add AI images in both plans. You can compare both the plans and decide one. Also, if you select a yearly plan, you can save 10% on the total price. To upgrade, scroll below and click Upgrade Now. Select your payment method and you will be redirected to the payment page. Enter the details on the right-hand side and then complete the payment. To know how to use another amazing AI tool to generate SEO optimized content, you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.